Today I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps on a MacBook. So let's get started. First, go to your desktop on your Mac. At the top, you'll see the menu bar with options like File, Edit, View, Go, Window, and Help. From here, click on Go. A drop-down menu will appear with many options such as Recent, Downloads, and more, along with their shortcut keys. From this menu, tap on Applications. Now an Applications window will open, and here you will see all the apps installed on your Mac. Scroll and find the app that you want to uninstall. Once you select the app, simply right-click on it and choose Move to Bin. At this point, your Mac may ask for your Mac password to confirm the action. Enter the password, and the app will be successfully moved to the bin, which means it has been uninstalled from your Mac. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and check out more guides just like this.